Hello little ones, and welcome to today's lesson in mathematics for grade 2. Today is day 7 and our lesson focus is on addition and subtraction up to 20. So what are we going to do today? Today we are going to learn to add and subtract up to 20. Activity 1. Let's add these sums. We will use the blocks on the left to help us. On the left-hand side, you will see we have 12, one group of 10, and 2 ones. And on the right-hand side, you will see we have 0 groups of 10 and 6 ones. If we add up the groups of ones, which is 2 plus 6, we get 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. And if you add up all of the blocks on the left-hand side, you will see that they add up to 18. Now let's try the next one. Now try this one on your own first, and then we'll check the answer. How many groups of 10 do you have? And how many ones do we have? Let's check our answer. Let's check our answer. On the left-hand side, we've got one group of 10 and 6 ones, and on the right-hand side, we've got one group of 10 and 6 ones. This can be broken down as 10 and 6 plus 10 and 6. We know that 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, and we also know that 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. If we break down 12 even further, we get 10 plus 2. So now we've got 20 plus 10 plus 2. And 20 plus 10 we know is 30, and 30 plus 2 is 32. Now let's try another one. On the left-hand side, you've got 9, and on the right-hand side, you've got 7. 9 plus 7. I'll give you a second to work out your answer. Now let's check our answer. 9 plus 7 is 16. We know that 16 broken down is the same as 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. Activity 2. Let's work out these answers. We will use the blocks on the left to help us. If we have a look on the left-hand side, you've got one group of 10 and 6 ones, which is 16. And on the right-hand side, you've got 0 groups of 10 and you've got 4 ones. 10 minus 0 is 10, so we'll bring down the 10. 6 minus 4 is 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. Try this next one on your own first. On the left-hand side, you've got 16, which is the same as 10 and 6. And on the right-hand side, you've got 0 tens and 2 ones. Have you got your answer? Let's check if your answer is correct. Ten minus 0 is 10, so you'll bring down that 10. 6 minus 2 is 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. 16 minus 2 is 14. Now try this one on your own. Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. On the left-hand side, you've got 9, and on the right-hand side, you've got 7. There are no groups of 10. 9 minus 7 is 2. Did you get the right answer? Activity 3. Let's add and subtract. In front of you, you have some domino blocks. There are lots of numbers hidden inside these domino blocks. Let's add. Here you've got 3 on the top and you've got 5 on the bottom, and we know that 3 plus 5 is 8. You could also say 5 plus 3 is 8. You could also try 8 minus 3 is 5, and 8 minus 5 is 3. Now let's try doing the same with this domino block. You've got 6 on the top and 6 on the bottom. You could have said 6 plus 6 is 12, or you could have said that 12 minus 6 is 6. Now let's do the same with this domino block. You've got 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. You could say 5 plus 5 is 10. You could also say that 10 minus 5 is 5. You could even say that 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. You could also say 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. You could also challenge yourself and say 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, and 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. That's the end of this lesson. See you tomorrow.